See, that was a really, really smart golden retriever. This is Sydney, and maybe she can meet your sweet golden retriever one day. Love that you guys have a dog on the helping with the shop. Sydney, I think the only thing she does is love on me. As you can see, she does the golden hug. Anyhow, thanks for sharing your video. I really enjoyed it. And so did Sissy. Did you? Yes. Would you lay down with me? Would you lay down with me? Good girl. Daddy's home. Oh, Daddy's home. Oh, Daddy's home. But guess who else is home? John. Mommy's home.
Mommy's home.
Mommy's home. Yay. Yay.
The tail.
Oh.
Tail's wagging.
Oh. Oh, Mommy hug. Mommy hug. Oh, Mommy loves hugs so much. Oh, we love hugs so much. Oh, oh, it's my baby boy. It's my baby boy. We love hugs. Oh, Cruiser. Cruiser, happy? Are you happy we're home? Oh, it's good to be home.
Jimmy? Jimmy? Hey, we're on video. Who's a good boy? Hey. Can you smile for the video? Who's a good boy? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, enough. Who's a good boy? Hey, who's a good boy? Okay, you look here, Jimmy. There's the camera. Or you can look at someone. Here, you see yourself? There, on the screen, yeah. Who's a good boy there? Who's a good boy? Look.
Greetings and salutations, viewers. I'm Star Princess HLC and Candy Cane. She's a good girl, aren't she? Yes, I know. She's the only one that ever kisses me on the face. Everyone else, she only does hands. But yeah, she's just weird. But I want to say a special thank you to everyone who attended the live stream yesterday when we started on Spyro 2. I'll try to do a continuation of the stream tonight, but we'll see what happens because it's going to be a busy couple weeks. So if you... Okay. Oh, you're such a sweetie. But yeah, things might be a little crazy in the next couple weeks, so keep an eye on that. Maybe I might only do one video a day, I don't know. But I'm going to try at least do a stream every Monday, depending. But yeah, thank you everyone for attending the stream last night. Candy Cane, I know you're a sweetheart, I know it. But also keep an eye out today, because I got a special video for you guys. The end of Undertale. We finally defeated the genocide run, and, well, we'll be ending it today. So keep an eye out for that. But for now, this is Star Princess HLC and Candy Cane saying thank you very much for watching, and have a fun farewell. You are a sweetheart, I know, baby, I know. Don't squish me. You're already stealing my bed. Candy Cane, ow. Ai, beijo mesmo. Beijo mesmo. Vamos marcar mesmo, você. Fica. Gostaram? Beijo mesmo.
Gente, olha essa força do cachorro. Leva a mãe longe. Caramba! Para!
Sit pretty. Hug. She's not gonna sit. Oh, there she goes. Sit pretty. Can I have a hug? No. Sit pretty. Can I hug? She doesn't want to. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Hug. Can I have a hug? You're so cute. Bang. Ow! Why? Bang.